Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scott Lorraine Marketing. Today I want to go over with you guys how to announce that you've joined Keller Williams or that you've made a move to Keller Williams. Now, if you've recently onboarded with our team at SLM, you most likely received a graphic that says just join forces. If you head into your designs applet within Command and search for join, you should find that graphic within an email template. If we click into that, it will look similar to this. It may or may not have a photo depending on what you submitted during your questionnaire. This graphic can be edited by emailing our support team at support@scottlorrainmarketing.com. We're happy to make any changes to that graphic. And once that graphic is updated and sent back over to you, you can replace it within this email template. Now, if you are looking to create your own social announcement or made a move graphic within the command platform, you can do that through the Designs applet as well. If we go ahead and hit Create Design and we do Social and Next, we'll be redirected to the WeBrand editor. That is where we can make tons of different social media graphics, marketing flyers, whatever you're looking for, you can pretty much create within this Designs applet. Now, for today's example, we're going to take a look at the lead generation section, and we're going to take a look at the I Love KW graphics. Now, once we're in there, you'll see we've got some red day, but if we come down, you'll see that we have a couple here that say, I made a move, new company, same exceptional service, same thing down here. These are going to be great graphics for you to create and use to announce that you've joined KW or that you've made a move to KW from a different brokerage. So for today's example, we'll go ahead and take a look at this one here that says I'm making a move. So we're going to go ahead and hit use. And from there, we're going to go ahead and start editing this. Now, this says I'm making a move. You could also change this to say I just joined. You could say KW, you could say Keller Williams, you could put your local office name, whatever you'd like. This is your graphic. You can really kind of customize it how you'd like. You can also change the font here, how it's displaying, if you'd like it to be center aligned, whatever you think kind of looks best, you can go ahead and change that. You can also leave it as the I made a move. So we'll go ahead and go back. Just going to undo my stuff there because I'm making a move. If you're also shifting into real estate from a different career, that also kind of fits. Now, the next thing we're going to do is click on the photo here, and we're going to come to My Assets, and we're going to give those just a second to load. They've been taking a little bit of time to load lately. While that's loading, let's go ahead and swap our logo. So if I click on our logo and come into My Assets, I'm going to come down and I'm going to replace. So I'm going to use the double arrow to put our SLM logo right there in that little space. We can back up. Now we've got our assets showing up. Let's go ahead and replace with Scott's photo here. So we can use the one with the background or without. For this one, I kind of like the one with the background, so we'll go with the older Scott photo. Now, if you need to shift that or adjust it within there, you can always double click and move it and then hit done when you are finished. Now, if you'd like to include some other information about yourself on here, you certainly can. So that Just Join Forces graphic that we create, it also has your name, your email, phone number, etc. So if we come on here and we just type Scott Leroy, and I'm going to move this over so we can make sure we can see it. Let's just move it down here. I'm going to grab our phone number and email here so I don't have to type it all out. And move that up. Now I could always make this font a little bit smaller if I want to. Let's try 45. Now that email is very long, so it's a little bit harder to get it all to fit. We gotta go just a little bit smaller. Here we go. So now we have our entire email showing. I'm gonna delete that space there. We also want to include our website. Whatever you'd like. I'm going to create a little space there too, just to make it a little bit stand out a little bit more. Now I've got all of this kind of right aligned, so I'm just going to move this over a tad too. And kind of align that together. All right, so once we have everything on here that we'd like, we have it to either say I'm making a move, I just joined forces, I'm starting a real estate career, whatever you'd like that to say, you can go ahead and adjust that. Once this is done and everything is on here that we'd like to use, we can go ahead and download this. I'm going to leave it as a JPEG and I'm just going to hit download. It's going to have me save that. Now, once I save that, I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And we're going to go back and find our just joined. If I want to edit this email template so that I can send this out to my database, I can go ahead and click on that photo and hit replace. And then I can go ahead and add my image from my computer. Click on that and replace that. And then I can send out the email to my entire database with that updated email, okay? Or with that updated graphic. Now, if I don't want to edit that, I'm going to go ahead and close without saving. Let's say I want to add this as a social post and post it to my social platforms. I can do that by going to campaigns, create a campaign, and social post. Now, once my social platforms are connected in my settings, they should appear here, so I can go ahead and select any or all of those. On the right-hand side, I'll have a preview of the different platforms, and then I can go ahead and add media. I'm going to go ahead and browse my computer, pull in that design, and add that. Now, if I want to add any text, contact me for more, um, whatever you want to do, whatever you would like to type there. Reach out to me if you would like a free home estimate, whatever you want to include in that. And then you can share this to your social platforms. You can send it out through text message, whatever you'd like to do. But you'll have a preview over here on the right-hand side. You can include your ownership statement if you need to. It is already on there under your logo. You can also include your DBA, which is going to be your Market Center logo. That will also add that from your marketing profile. I'm going to leave it off, and then you can either schedule the post or have it publish immediately. Once you're done, go ahead and schedule or publish, and this will go out to your social platforms. I'm going to go ahead and hit Save Draft, and that is how to create your own announcement for your social platforms, as well as how to edit the just joined email template within your command using our design. So if you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team at support@scottleroymarketing.com. We would be happy to help. Have a wonderful day.